All right, this is a Saturday. Randy's back on the vlog. We're at Knot 10 Yacht Sales. They having yeah, we're right. This thing is what? Fisherman something. This restaurant here. We'll go look at it. But today, man, we're looking at some boats, man. Just going to some boat shows, man. Looking at some boats. I was looking at this beauty right here. And yeah, let's go check out some boats for that. Let's do it.
Good morning, yes sir. Hey, good morning.
2012 42 foot yacht.
Oh, no, you're fine. You're fine.
Like this.
Oh wow, this is nice.
Yeah. So you got your kitchen, or what they call the galley, right? And it's you got two rooms. Got the bigger one right there.
This is a beauty.
Yeah. Well, search it for a boat's fun.
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, it's a good time.
There we go.
Yeah, just to go out on them and stuff. This ain't the best day for it.
This is a boat show. Where would this boat? Where would it be?
Somebody has this boat. I don't know. Somewhere on the bay. Yeah.
Oh, so it's still with the
It's
owner.
an owner. Yeah, it's an owner boat.
Oh, okay.
But they're selling it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All these boats are for sale.
Gotcha.
They just bring them here, you know.
They bring it there for the
for the advertisement because
Yeah.
you know the boat show it brings more people in.
Gotcha.
And everybody comes over here for the you know food and drinks. And
Yeah. Fisherman's Inc. Yeah, that's what it is.
Fisherman's Inn, yeah.
Oh, sorry,
This is the
Fisherman's
Crab Jack. They got a restaurant up the front side.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Fisherman's Inn. I keep forgetting it. They said you gotta try the cream of crab soup. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try this.
Face tracker. So what's up, vlog? We got 2 vlogs going at the same time. Well, 3 actually. You feel me? I'm gonna put it on my vlog too. Then the company
I thought
vlog.
you had like 3 devices.
Oh nah. So yeah, this is the intro to Bethesda. You feel me? Shannon pulled up on us. She's gonna use the Pocket 3. She's the content
I am.
creator.
I'm gonna use that one.
Yeah,
You wanna use the 2? Where's the 2 at?
it's in my backpack.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, y'all. Peace. Okay. So currently on a photo walk with, hey man. Currently on my little photo walk. Let's see if. Boom. Oh wow. I gotta.
It's not showing you?
It is, but like the ISO. No, we good.
No, I mean, I'm not recording anything.
Good.
test out this face tracker. Is it giving face card, never decline? Okay, look how some more people know. Hey.
Did you download the app?
I did not. I have to download that to get the footage.
Yeah.
I download it. Oh, because it can drop it wirelessly?
Yeah.
What y'all think? Hat? Or no hat? Hat? We'll keep it for now because it's actually chilly out here. My face tracking is working swimmingly. Photo walk. Currently got some shots out here, downtown Bethesda. It's a little cloudy, but I think we still get some good shots and footage.
This ain't no face detective live.
You too dark.
Hey. Currently on photo walk.
I think that's
Hey y'all, I got this menace right here, trying to figure out food. We're done with the photo walk.
Let me show my spot.
Show your
Show
what?
my spot.
Your parking
Show my
spot?
Hey, y'all.
She's a mess. But we finished the photo walk. I think she hung up on accident. I don't know what happened. Finished the photo walk. Now we're headed to the mall, Westfield Mall, to get food and also to transfer the document. So it's been a productive little day. I got me a good spot, like first row of the Macy's. Dang, this lady's still looking for parking. She does not like me because I zoomed in. But no, I was waiting for a while. But yeah, part 2. I'm actually hungry. So yeah, this is the weekend vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Started out in, past Annapolis, the boat show. Then I went over to Bethesda. Bought some little off-white sneakers. Got some good content. Went on a photo walk. Now about to walk around the mall, get our steps in. I think we walked 5 miles so far. Oh, I'm at 9% on my battery from my watch, but it's all good. So stay tuned. The lighting is amazing, sheesh. But stay tuned, y'all.